Okay, in this video we are going to talk about, or I'm going to talk about, the Windsor Sensation S12 and the Sebo Automatic X4 Clear. This one is actually made out of clear plastic. The first thing that you'll notice is the body style is slightly different on this one versus this one. This one's kind of more rounded on the edges than this one, which has square edges. And same goes for the bag housing. This one also has a stair cleaning handle where you can actually clean stairs with it easily. This one doesn't. This one here is older. It's actually from when the automatic vacuum first came out. And on the bottom you can see this is actually a stepper motor in here that raises and lowers the front. Now this one you'll notice it has a metal bottom plate on it all the way around the brush. Newer ones do not have that, as you can see on this one. It has a metal thing on the front, and on the back it actually has a separate piece with a squeegee in it, and that's nice. This one also has metal bars in the plate, whereas this one has separate little wire bars in there. Okay, now we'll turn them on. And you can see this, where it's telling you it's adjusting down. It will actually tell you when it's adjusting. It actually has a sensor in there that senses the speed of the brush. You can see it does a pretty decent job of grooming the carpet. Now, one of the many changes to the machine when they came out with the X4 was a more powerful motor, which you can tell the difference in the sound. You can also see it seems to have a little more, grooms it a little better. And you can, excuse me, you can hear it is louder. Now, another interesting thing about this machine, about these machines in general, the Sebo brand, is that, here, let me raise it all the way up. When you put the handle in the upright position, it actually automatically senses that and raises the nozzle up as high as it goes. You can see in this one, you can see the belt and sort of the little clutch thing, not entirely sure what that is. And you can see the circuit board here. This is the power supply. The other circuit board you can't see as easily. It's underneath. Well, you can kind of see it there. There's the little ribbon cable going down to the stepper motor. You can see the filter and the bag and everything. But on this one, the brush is very easy to get to. You just push this button. Well, a lot easier with both hands. But you basically push this button, and then you can grab it out there. There you can see it. And then you can take the brush out the side of the machine and clean it easily. You can see the belt you do not have to mess with. The brush actually connects to a drive shaft right there. You never have to mess with the belt on these machines, which is something I do like about them. The belt actually is guaranteed by Sebo to last the life of it, which the only other company I know that has that guarantee is Ricard and simplicity. And also the bag. Just show you how that, you get to that, the bag just slides into this little thing there, and there's your filter. And this one has the dusting brush on the handle. This does not. It's also interesting that in every other country besides the US, the dusting brush is not standard. In the US, these dusting brushes are standard on the vacuum. And on the back you have the upholstery tool and the crevice tool, and then the wand also stores extra hose. And when you pull the wand out, you can actually, again this is easier with two hands, you can actually lock the hose, well, you can actually lock the hose like that so you can use it. And then when you put this back in the machine, it will actually suck the hose in. So that's kind of neat. And that's the Sebo.